Temperatures may be fluctuating as, of course, we're inching closer to spring, but Massachusetts residents are protected from having their utilities shut off under what's called a winter moratorium. NBC 10's consumer investigative reporter Bianca Beltran has what you need to know to make sure your heat stays on during tough times.
On a cold December day, a Foxborough resident received a visit from a National Grid worker who said he was there to shut off his power immediately unless he paid his overdue bill.
We're greenlit because the high is over 32 degrees.
But it's on the state law. The state law is November 15th.
I understand. I'm just going off of what I was told from my boss.
The National Grid employee is referring to a company policy. A representative explained in an email, for electric customers, National Grid does not terminate service for residential customers when the forecasted temperature is not going to be above 32 degrees. In this case, the resident pushed back, referring to the Department of Public Utilities winter moratorium. Between November 15th and March 15th, residential customers are protected from utility shutoff if the utility service is needed to heat their home.
If you qualify based on financial hardship, and if it's between those dates, it doesn't really matter what the temperature is, you're still protected.
Jennifer Bosco is a senior attorney at the National Consumer Law Center in Boston. She says that residents receiving fuel assistance are automatically protected under the moratorium, but those who do not need to contact their utility company to apply for protection.
If that person thinks that they should have been protected, absolutely they should explain that to the utility worker.
Sir, I either need to check now or I have to shut it off.
I'm going to look up my rights, right? I'm trying to exercise what is literally my rights. So
the Foxborough homeowner said he tried to communicate his financial hardship due to illness when he received a call from collections, but ended up paying to prevent his power from being shut off that day. He reached out to NBC 10 Response for help clarifying what the moratorium entails. The DPU regulation requires representatives who show up to shut off the utility service to offer a financial hardship form and postpone shutoff for 72 hours so that the customer can apply. After March 15th, there are still protections for financial hardship and homes with residents who are 65 and older or have a child under 1 year old. But again, those protections must be certified with the utility company in order to take effect. In the newsroom, I'm Bianca Beltran.